EVA PACK Machinery is a leading manufacturer and exporter of advanced filling, capping, and packaging machines. With a strong presence in the packaging industry, we specialize in delivering innovative, durable, and high-performance solutions for liquids, powders, oils, and pharmaceuticals. Trusted across India and beyond, EVA PACK stands for precision engineering, customer satisfaction, and reliable automation. Presenting the double-head automatic powder filling machine by EVA PACK Machinery, engineered for accuracy, built for speed. With 2 synchronized filling heads, it ensures fast and uniform powder dispensing. Ideal for pharmaceutical, food, and chemical industries. Equipped with servo motor technology, PLC-based control system, and a stainless steel frame for hygiene and durability. Handles a wide range of powders, from dry syrup to spices, with dust-free, clean filling. Touchscreen interface makes operation easy, while the dual-head design doubles productivity. Precision filling, reliable performance, minimal maintenance. Trust EVA PACK Machinery, empowering your packaging needs with technology that performs. Don't forget. Please like, comment, and subscribe now. Thank you for watching.